At this age, investing for my future is the right financial decision for me. My name is Truman. I'm 18 this year. I just finished my A-levels, so you can consider me unemployed. I think the idea of investing for my future sounds appealing. I mean, I've been told since young, it's always best to start early. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is to start now. I found out VIA through my father. My father was batch 77. My favorite part would be, I think, the simplicity of investing and the fact that the funnel itself is quite easy to understand. It's just very methodical, it's step by step. Even for a beginner, it's a very low barrier to entry thing. The most helpful lessons that I've learned so far, I think throughout the trade show, I've learned that investing is different from trading because investing is more of learning about the business rather than looking at the stock price. I would recommend VIP to my friends, and especially I think this is a very good starting point for most people who want to grow their financials in a steady and stable way.